Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Starting today for the next few weeks, I will be uploading various videos related to Solidity itself. And just because I have started learning blockchain development few months back and document it somewhere, so felt why not just upload it on YouTube, help other fellows start with the development of blockchain. So, if you're not much familiar with what is Solidity, just to summarize, it's a smart contract programming language. Uh, Especially for the Ethereum based blockchain. If the word blockchain and smart contract both are very new to you, I'll highly recommend you start reading more about them before at least coding in Solidity. And I have also attached or uploaded a video in my channel few years back where I have explained a project of mine where I've used Solidity itself and the concept of what a blockchain is in a very summarized way. But if you want to learn more about the detailed manner of how the blockchain works, I'll attach down a few blog links which you can refer to start with it. So yes, starting today, just uh, remember that there are few prerequisites to start Solidity. Number one, learn about blockchain, learn about what a smart contract is, have very fair understanding the Ethereum blockchain is and how it performs in the backend, especially the EVM. A very basic understanding would be enough. And number two is have a understanding or have at least a basic knowledge of any programming language, C++, Python, or Java. You can choose any of the one if you feel like to. So in the next video, we will be starting what exactly is Solidity in action. Just to quickly wrap it up, it's a object-oriented high-level language. It's heavily influenced by various languages like Python and C++. So that's why I have said that at least choose any of the language to start with before jumping straight away. Don't make it your first programming language because it behaves very different compared to other traditional programming languages. And there are a few applications which we will be coding it up in the next few videos once we are aware of the various concepts like voting, crowdfunding, and many things like wallets. So what do you need? Actually, you need nothing to start with Solidity. You just need this browser-based Remix IDE that itself is developed by the Ethereum team. So you have an example source code contract file to refer how it looks like. So we will have a look on the next video. We will start with not any existing contract, but a contract of our own. And yes, that's it from my side, and I will see you in the next part. Bye bye.